promise of unassailable prosperity. In an era where digital assets are as coveted as they are vulnerable, our comprehensive security strategy is our promise that your journey toward financial independence is safeguarded by the most advanced, resilient, and transparent defenses available. Each deposit, each transaction, and each interaction within strategy is protected by a digital shield crafted from the collective wisdom and ingenuity of our community. As you continue on this journey with us, know that every step you take is underpinned by a security strategy designed to preserve and amplify your wealth. This is the essence of our commitment, a promise that in the face of uncertainty, the fortress of strategy will always stand strong, protecting the dreams of financial freedom and shared prosperity. Just a secure and transparent system controlled by the community, for the community. Bitcoin is hope. There's no second best. As the world slowly gets wise to the game theory behind strategy, most investors already see this as the ultimate table pounder. Think of the genius, using Bitcoin as the buyback mechanism. In the traditional financial world, table pounder stocks are a game of illusion, highly promoted equities that rely on aggressive marketing rather than intrinsic value. Brokers and analysts pound the table, hyping up stocks with bold projections, often detached from reality. The result? Volatility driven by sentiment, not substance, just pure narrative. But what if there were a table pounder asset built on absolute scarcity, immutability, and mathematical certainty? What if, instead of relying on hype, this asset engineered true price appreciation through deflationary mechanics? Enter Bitcoin as the ultimate stock buyback mechanism, a financial strategy that rewrites the rules of value accumulation. Bitcoin, the first self-reinforcing buyback system. Unlike fiat-based corporations that repurchase shares using an inflating currency, Bitcoin's structure allows for an organic buyback strategy that strengthens itself over time. When corporations buy back their stock, they reduce the number of shares in circulation, concentrating ownership among the remaining shareholders. Bitcoin mirrors this principle, but in a way that transcends traditional finance, turning volatility into true price appreciation. Traditional buybacks in the stock market are often financed by debt or fiat, creating short-term price inflation that can later collapse under macroeconomic pressure. Bitcoin, however, operates on an entirely different plane. The Bitcoin buyback strategy, a shareholder's dream for Bitcoin holders. This buyback strategy offers an investment proposition unlike anything in history. The greatest table pounder in history. If analysts and brokers are pounding the table for speculative stocks with uncertain fundamentals, Bitcoin is the ultimate table pounder asset, not because of hype, but because of its inelastic supply and increasing adoption curve. While traditional stocks rely on external narratives, Bitcoin's price action is a function of fundamental thermodynamic financial principles. Final thought, there is no second best. The financial world has spent decades promoting table pounder stocks with exaggerated claims and little underlying strength. Bitcoin flips the script. It pounds the table not with hollow marketing, but with an inescapable economic reality. The most scarce, decentralized, and secure monetary asset in history is executing an unstoppable, market-driven buyback strategy, and the only question left is, will you front-run the inevitable or be left buying scraps from those who understood it first?